Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these interesting radical equations where we have root x divided by x equals 4. So to solve this, the first thing we are going to do, being the first step here, is we try to multiply this x with 4 so that we have root x equals 4 multiplied by x. So next we are going to take the square of both sides. So we have root x to the power of 2 equals 4x to the power of 2. And then we have, when we take this and this out, so here remains x equals, so by rule of exponent, so 4 we take square and x we also take square. So then we have x equals, so 4 square it gives us 16, then x square it still remains x square. So let's try to take this one here. We have x minus 16 x squared equals 0. So from here we have x which is common, so by taking out x, so here remain 1 minus 16x, then everything equals 0. So with what we have here, so the first thing here is we let x equals to 0, or we let 1 minus 16x equals 0. So if we do the first one as the first solution, then the second one will be 1 minus 16x equals 0. Then by taking 16 here, we have 1 equals 16x. And we divide both sides by 16 to get the value of x. 16 cancelled 16. And here is x equals 1 divided by 16. So there are two solutions to this problem, but we have to verify which of these satisfied. So from the given problem, you have root x divided by x equals 4. So by trying to substitute the value of x at equals to 0, we have at x equals 0, which is the first solution that we got. So we have here is root 0 divided by 0. We know that this is undivided. So that is the first equation, the first solution does not satisfy. So by checking for the second one, which is at x equals 1 divided by 16, so we plug it and we have the square root of 1 divided by 16 divided by 1 divided by 16. So for this one to be equals to 4, so we have to separate this as square root of 1 divided by square root of 16. Here is general division, and we divide it like this. So divided by 1 over 16. So here we have square root of 1, which is 1, divided by square root of 16, we get it as 4. Then by reciprocal, we multiply it by 16 divided by 1. So when we cancel this and this, we get 4. That is, the left hand side equals to the right hand side, as x equals to 1 over 16 is the solution that satisfies this problem. I will learn something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.